dear friends, welcome to Padhai Se Dosti YouTube channel. In today's video session, we are going to see about the creek. So, what is a creek? Have you heard about it? Let's see what it is exactly. So, creek is nothing but the narrow or a sheltered waterway, especially an inlet in a shoreline or channel in a marsh. Okay, so it is a narrow, sheltered waterway, especially which is located in inlet of shoreline, means near the sea coast, or any channel of marsh which is located near the sea coast, like in any mangrove forest or somewhat like ecosystem. Okay, so let's see what it is. We have already discussed the reference of this particular thing over here. We have seen this question. So many creeks are found in the coastal areas of Konkan, but no deltas. So why? So we are going to discuss about this particular question in this session through this small lesson, okay, based on creek. So we have already discussed what it is creek exactly. तो ऐसी छोटी सी वाटर बॉडी रहती है कि जिसमें समुंदर का पानी जो जमीन का इनलेट होता है उसमें आ जाता है शोर लाइन पे, तो उसे हम क्रीक बोलते हैं. यहाँ पे आप देख पाओगे. सो दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ गुजरात. हियर यू कैन सी द मैप. So here it is a international border between India and Pakistan. You can see over here, this is international border, and this is a creek. It is a inlet of water inside the land, okay, or the marshy area. So this is Arabian Sea, and you can able to observe the marshy area over here and small water inlets like this. So all these are nothing but the creek. Here you can see the Kori Creek. Here it is a Sar Creek, which is international border between India and Pakistan. Here you can read about the Sar Creek. So it is why it is known as Sar Creek, because this is a person who demarcated this line as an international line for India and Pakistan. So that's why after that particular person, this line is named as Sar Creek line. Okay. So Sar Creek is originally Banganga. It is a small river outlet named as Banganga. It is about 96 km tidal estuary in uninhabited marshland of Indus River Delta on the border between India and Pakistan. The creek flows into Arabian Sea and separate Gujarat state in India from the Sindh province in Pakistan. So remember, this is an example of creek, and you can able to observe such a creeks along the coastline of India, the western coastline especially along the Konkan coast. Okay, this is a summer picture of that particular creek. The water get evaporated and the marshy land formation taking place like this, and in that marshy land you cannot able to drive the normal vehicle. You need this amphibian vehicle. So our army which is deployed over there, they use amphibian vehicle like this. Okay, so this is a amphibian vehicle of Indian army, and there are many fishermen during the after monsoon season, they used to do the fishing over there in that creek. The water in that creek is not so deep, it is a shallow water. So guys, let's come to our question over here. So question is that there are many creeks found in the coastal areas of Konkan but not a delta. So why it happens? Why there is no any formation of delta, that we are going to see over here. So this is an example of delta. Delta need a vast plain area near the sea coast, but if you observe the western coast of our country, then there is small coast or small coastal plain, and you can able to observe the Sahyadri mountain over there like this. So the eastern slope of this Sahyadri is very gentle and the western slope is very steep. So whatever rivers, uh, especially the west flowing rivers from this Sahyadri mountain towards the Arabian Sea, their velocity is very high, and because of such a high velocity, they don't use to form a delta over this coastal plain, western coastal plain of India, and that's why they don't form any delta like structure over there. They form estuaries, creeks, as we have discussed right now. Suppose there is a only such a inlet like this zigzag pattern of land. Suppose there is a inlet like this, and if there is only the stagnant water of sea which enter into this inlet, and it will become stagnant over there for a long period of time, then also it is known as creek. Okay, so remember, this is small inlet. Suppose this is entire landmass. Okay, so here it is a entire landmass, and its shape near the shoreline is like this zigzag way, so this inlet form over there, and if seawater enters into this inlet, then it forms a creek. Okay, and the rivers near its mouth form estuary if they are not forming delta because of their high velocity. So remember this few concepts. So in this way we have discussed this particular concept, that why creeks are formed along the Konkan coast but not a delta. So okay, I hope guys you understand what is a creek. So do like this session, subscribe our YouTube channel, so you will get the notification of upcoming video session. Also share this session with your friends. So have a nice day. Thank you.